Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Miss Chatterbox. So the first thing you're gonna need is powder, which I got is Quick Blue, 40 volume developer. You're gonna need a semi-permanent dye, which I got was ginger and French cognac. You're gonna need a bowl and a plastic utensil so you can be able to stir everything around. I have rubber gloves, but any gloves will do. And you're just gonna need a brush. You can be able to brush through the hair. Now this is an old wig that I made a long time ago, so I'm just gonna revive it and use that as our ginger hair. So what I like to use is one packet for the back and the other packet for the front. So I do it one at a time. I'm using this packet right now, and I'm gonna use a little bit more than half of the 40 developer. So yeah, you're gonna see what I'm gonna do. And also the consistency that you want it to be is kind of like a pancake mix, but you'll see. I know most of you guys know how to bleach hair, so yeah, this is how I bleached it. I pinned it up each row that I did, and that's about it. You'll see. So this is just a helpful tip. I like to use a fork to evenly distribute on the lace, and the reason being is because it's easier to be able to part and to actually put the dye in. So yeah, well, the bleach in. After I finished putting the dye, I put it in a plastic bag and I let it sit for 4 hours. Alright, so this is after 4 hours of bleaching this hair. It lifted, but like barely, and I don't have any more bleach. So if you have a hard to lift hair, maybe get like 3 things of bleaching powder. But yeah, we're gonna see what it does, and let's see after our color if it gets like a nice orange color. Right now it's like brassy, but we shall see. All right, stay tuned. So I started off with the lightest hair color, and I made sure I stirred everything around, making sure everything was mixed together. It was kind of hard to see due to the fact that I have a black bin. So yeah, I mixed everything together and I stirred it around. After I dipped the lace part first, and then I dipped the ends at the end, and I just stirred it around, made sure everything was actually mixed in, and I made sure I went through the wefts just to make sure, ensure that everything was actually, mixed in.
hair came out so beautiful, and what I did off camera was I cut it and I styled it. So yeah, wait till the end and you'll see the final results. You guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and yeah, talk to you soon. Wait for the end, you'll see. Guys, look how beautiful this hair is. Look. Oh my gosh, I love it. Don't mind the lace. I gotta fix that, but this color is so pretty. It makes me look like a little fairy. Oh gosh, I love it.